Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a used boat. It's a 2016 Sea Ray 310 Sundancer. As you can see, this boat is in great shape. It's got bottom paint on it, a windlass anchor. It's got a nice big extended swim platform. Audio in the back. There's 2 JL speakers in the back. Again, this 310 Dancer is in great shape. It's only a couple years old. It's got a nice wraparound bench here and back. Fill-in cushion to the side. The helm seat flips forward and backwards. Got a nice grill. More speakers. Got a JL subwoofer here. At the helm, you have all your gauges. Very nice. Toggle switches for everything. Comes with this nice big Ray Marine fish finder. Nice walkway up top, and as you can see, we currently have our isinglass in because this boat was sitting outside. As we enter the cabin, to our left we have a nice sink, a removable piece here for the stovetop. Have a microwave, cabinets, flat screen TV. Again, very nice. This is pretty much a new boat. It was traded in for a bigger model, 2018 model. This pad in the middle moves out of the way and a table goes in that spot so you can sit around the table. And then for more sleeping, a resting area, there's a nice padded seating and padded laying area back here. Covers in there. And here's the bathroom. Got a sink as well as the toilet here. Again, this is a 2016 310 Sundancer made by Sea Ray. It's an absolutely gorgeous boat, runs great,